I am going to use the redness corrector of Makeup Forever for all the red acne marks on the face. I've taken the red corrector and I'm just pressing it to cover the redness. इसको हम रब नहीं करेंगे, रब करने से प्रोडक्ट मिट जाता है, हल्का सा प्रेस इन करेंगे. My model is light skinned, so I'm using the Simply Nam Hydrafit color corrector in peach color. As you can see, कंसीलर को हम हल्के से डैब कर रहे हैं अंडर आईज पे. इसको रब नहीं कर रहे हैं, बस हल्का सा डिपॉजिट कर रहे हैं. Now I will use the Tarte Creamy Concealer in the shade 20P. Now for the contour, I'm using the Sculpting Touch Kiko Milano Creamy Stick. See, I'm taking the contour and pressing it in the lower chin to give the jaw more of a shape. I'm using it towards the upper end of the cheek to give it more depth. I will also go into the hairline, because that gives a nice dimension to the face. You will start contouring from the eyebrows down to the tip of the nose. I will also put color, darker color on the snout so that the nose looks slimmer. Now I'm taking the Makeup Forever Skin Tint in the color 04. And with a flat brush, I can dot it all over the face and spread it. After I've applied the skin tint, I'm taking a beauty blender and just gently pressing कि जितने भी extra अगर कोई creases या lines हैं, वो skin में blend हो जाएंगे. I'm using the peach and the pink pomelo under the eyes, on the tip of the nose, the forehead, edges of the mouth to give it a blur bake effect. I'm using the Dalba First Serum Spray to hydrate the skin and blend the powders into the foundation. You shake it. Shut your eyes and gently spray it all over the face. For the eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay Cool Palette in very neutral and natural tones. I'm giving the eyes a base of an eye primer so that the eyeshadow color sticks and is long lasting. I'm taking the cream taupe color and putting it all over the eyelids. The cream will give a base for my powder shadow. After using the cream base, I'm taking the powder taupe and just pressing it over the eyelids. As you can see, the color deposits beautifully on top of the cream base. I'm smoking the corners out with a slight brown shimmer to give the eyes some depth. With a flat brush, I'm taking the peachy color to give a little highlight under the eyebrows and towards the inner corner of the eyes, towards the bridge of the nose. Then I'm taking the silver shimmer and just pressing it on the upper lid to just add a slight pop of color. This is a beautiful smoky brown eye with a pop of shimmer. I'm using the Patrick Tar Duo for the face blush, the cream and the powder. So I'm taking the cream side and patting it on the upper cheek. Just to give her a natural glow, I'm going all around the nose and the cheek. Then I take the powder and just put it as a matte highlight over the blusher. And it gives a very, very natural and flushed, youthful look to the face. I'm using the Bare Minerals shaken but not stirred eyeshadow on my angular brush to give it a very soft line over the eyelids. I'm taking the Kiko Milano Intense Color Long Lasting Eyeliner in teal, taking it on my angular brush and applying it over the upper lid to give it a slight dash of color. I'm using a nude color for the lips and a more fleshy color from Kiko Milano for the lipstick. Since she already has well-defined lips, I'm just going along the line of the lip and just giving it a outline. Filling in the outer corners to give it a little more dimension. Just to top up the lips and give it a little bit of a shine and long stay, I'm adding a gloss in the middle. And I'm ending the look by applying a fixing spray